Bakufwe. Mumeyo, Yera Mahama Nejina, you want my warhead to honor.
I'm begging him. I'm begging him. I'm begging him.
And in this video, Boba Kube come to Mammy, Bako Air John Janapo, Energy Minister, Okopiemu, Ewa Gwewa Palace, Aye Yana, Double My Hene, Double Overlord, Okopio na himfi, Ama Yana Masa, Wakwasi Asol Pico, Wapamono, or any crew na, Wapamo Yatom Panqua Sibia na himfi on, Wapamo, you better won't come on. And obviously, no Mahama, His Excellency, Aqua to Ewa Parliament, I'm a media, no today. I'll be there, it will be there. So, God of Women, I'll be clash with Mahama. After so go share a tour pa parliament. I have Penyah broke media. Mesra say need him. Over like keep video no other my boss subscribe button the snap back click bell notification for the latest update. Number to the wide and their mama. Our comment section. Mesra so baswa. No she been for so any be actually. Let's start with Yana. Any John Jirapo. Oh ya nansemu. In fact, netco for edit tamale for no northern you for no mundo munam amanimo pa. Ninya say omo munya light. Light and fan adwuma. Light and fan. I just say omunya light. Mentwas we have that nordness for ni be any netco company no eno muntem am say omu kire mu say netco kra mu hia netco ho no omu tim ni netco enya adwo say netco emu wo mu netco emu nordness e omu tim ni netco enya adwo ntene because of that no netco say enem so no ye ma light ene ye so ye ma light na enum na enra enam so ma adwo ngina po ekopie mu ewo double man hene ahimfie eye gwewa palace yana eho no the overlord of that one traditional area okopie won ahimfie esna or the chop ayekoma yana so osre de netco for ni omoyen eja obadwa to osre onfa nche do make sure say enema ebeyeyi enso no yana ase masa wa ma won ko ofna disrespect me wi a enya fna be edede fa okwasi asoli piko penkwasi asem so le piko
Kupona, Mayo, MC, Abroyne Energy Minister. Now, not the but no cannot party Ayaba. Now, not the Bankane. Now, that you will get some polo. Kaya to be one no. Opana Maguna to Paga Yaba. The Melona to Paga Zugo. I have the Melona to Paga Zugo. Utona Navani. Now, not the Bankane. Probably Baga Belly. And come no ma born the son of Pana Molan to Romaza. Not the Bakan and John South Wuttima. In the shape of Pana Tune. Yabu Gubonat, Gana Bagas of Boka Gana and Navan Bobby. In the Swiss sound, in the Swiss sound. Not the Bakan, no financial
receiving me in his house. I'm also a royal from the royal family. So as I come here as a full son of my grandfather, the overlord himself. About 2 weeks ago, I asked for permission from President to take leave and travel outside Ghana. Even before that, I had gotten a slight briefing of this matter, and I went to brief President about it. And the President then directed one of our cabinet ministers from here to get into the matter and give us the feedback. So the cabinet minister gave us the information to myself, President, and Dr. Callistus just before I left. So we asked the cabinet minister to thank our father for rest, and then I asked permission and left for some checkups. When I was going, I was asked to hand over the whole office to finance minister, which I did and left. So when I was in US, I saw some social media stories about a bit of disturbance in Tamale in relation to this same Netco matter. So I was a bit surprised, but I thought that the matter had been laid to rest. So I decided that I'll rush back early. Traveling from US to I need tickets, I need to prepare. So I arrived yesterday. So when I arrived yesterday, I went formally and took over again as minister. And then I went and briefed President himself. Even more disturbing was that the whole of the Netco staff said that they won't go to work again. And some parts of Tamale was even experiencing darkness. They were not going to put it on. They had even issued statements, and maybe some of you saw it. They said that they had been attacked, and because of that, they won't work again. But I'm the minister. I cannot sit. Tamale will be having lights out, and I'll just sit in Accra and not do anything. So I rushed to Tamale this morning. So when I came, the first place I went was to go to Gwekwana's palace to pay respect and homage to him as my father. And to apologize to him and appeal for cooperation so that we can resolve the matters. From there, I also went and met the workers' union. It was a difficult one. But I've managed to talk to them. It looks like we are making progress now. But in all this, our overlord is my father. I cannot come and be looking for solutions, and I won't come to where the solution lies. When I came to, we went to Kugna's palace first. He gave me some displeasing information. And so I apologized profusely to him. And on that note, I want to hold my grandfather's leg and apologize to him for all that happened. I'm very, very sorry for whatever has happened. In fact, I should be coming to him to hold his leg to apologize when somebody is angry with me. And so I sincerely apologize to him. It's because of the earlier communication that came. My understanding and the government's understanding was that everything was okay. So my mission is very simple: to get the workers back, and then they will switch the lights on internally. We can't continue to sleep in darkness. And also to plead with my father that the remaining matter, I'm begging him. I'm begging him. I'm begging him. I'm begging him. And to those who are sleeping in the darkness are those who have given you the power. And to he won't say anything. He will not say anything. I continue to hold his leg. You said you are a royal. You are a royal. And you believe you have gotten power now. So therefore you can't do anything about life of the government. He said that those who are sleeping in darkness, you should know that they are those who gave you the power. Beg my father for me that the light is on. I beg him. I beg him. You are a royal. To end the matter, I just came to beg him and to appeal to him. That's all.
Since you have to go closer and bend down.
Yes, I said that. He would like to discharge you. Once by royal reference, thank you. Yeah, we'll come back.
Ah, okay.
We can go. Let me listen.
Yeah, let's go to Mahama and then tour. And last week, Anna Mahama is swearing in some of the deputy ministers. Now, during the swearing in ceremony, there was one particular deputy minister, or a member of parliament for Jomoro constituency, Honorable Dorcas Afo Toffee. Or no, Anna Mahama Emmanuel appointed as deputy minister for road and transport. Na mama every no children say uncle baby no children say uncle on funny form that day. Ara uncle baby uncle je pen uncle sign a signature that do home na ọkọ mama che na ọkọ no. Udo din kan na ni ko hwes wo ko ha. Ọkọ na unu asa ten no the hotel no I angle na baza. Udo ko head to. Eto ba di ye mo nkwa. Eto ba je no nkwa. Ora say eto ye mere ye. Ba no hwe bi. Parliament ti dey. Ba no hwe bi. Na we no hwe ye no. Ana Abroyne any other TikTokers abe clash with Mahama say hey open na etuo bekum JM etuo bekum JM
Ibu Mahama tax ni doso tax aja ba o man me doso e ma mu ane bre etuo di ku omo adai
Ebuziafo mi ehwe video ye da simra ne emeti ente hu tem.
Thank you. Next is Honorable James Yachikwesi, Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs.
Bakufwe mumeyo yera Mahama ne gina wo ayiho no ma wo hweto no Samadua mo se wo besi hina mama wo monya masumdua na mo fa ahudie die ne ayemoka. Yera Mahama chese wo de eje wanye etuo be ye wo dey. Endu beza wo che mi se maami wei. Maami ne tu ya so che lodi na to. Yera Mahama pad Mahama dum so etuo Mahama. Jai tuo ne hwe na bokufu osu ye ku omu se mmoa ye ku omu se confirm no mututu ko oboki na no. Yera Mahama wo de boko I tokwa na na bokwa yinsie na koye politics ewi a besene ko na ko pata wo mneja ato na wo hwe na to ne de wo da wo na su chewe de en control ade papa yi ya fra wo etuo sama o ya ma na ye ho wo ni pa ba ko na wo ye dum so se si a wo de etuo be kan we na pad ese ye nyo de Yera Mahama pad Mahama dum so etuo Mahama Bakufu e mumaye o Yera Mahama na ehege ya obonyim ni ma meto no wonye nanzo obe pata edimu de mo nsi mo yene de ne mutitewa na mawu why mo nsi mo yene why o de time o de be ba na o de hwe to no eto be ku Yera Mahama pan ma dum se to Mahama
ono kwano no yes ono kwano no hey entakwa wonu kunu ade a nipa pede ma ne mpe o ma ne wondo ohwe sa na ne ho ato no momfa picture na ankasa meto ohwe sa na ne ho ato munya sa momfa picture na meto ade a ese Ghana fo nyina mo ne me ya adwene ne ye ne lode na Mahama kasa ade a oye no we nra ntintokwa sifie odurufie wa hodu no ade a wonim sa ade no wo kuna nige ohwe sa na ne ho ato wa wo de kura da bi oda ho sore no unam fie ho kura ohwe no wa me ne ho ntachuo enti o sia we kwana so kakra na therefore ohwe na bona ni akohoma kakra sa wo fie na wo hwe so ere nyinu obeduru fie odire minimum pan odire minimum pan we de nkwa de meka bia ma brotherhood asese brotherhood fo nyina amondwan ne me nne ewo comment section ba bia ne yenka bi ma President Mahama we de weekend ye be beli no monto abanti alode na monto so abase entokoya President Lodina Mahama nini kunkun rai eye odifo amon kase wanya de monto so abasisi ane yenkan asese brother would be a defend the president wo we hu because one hwe kra no nye bema what therefore na ehwe ade na obeduru fia wa bɔ no minimum monto so aba ne yenhwe ne ewe ne ye se Lodina dibem amon kase odibem se President Mahama esese oyi nani a monkase sese ko yi nani monto so aba ne yenko we de nkwa de me meto ama President Mahama nti monka nto me vote no emfa ma President Mahama we de nkwa de me meto ama obi aso wa mama nti mama we ne President Mahama President Mahama has won happy weekends wa we ne aba no obi anhwe bi wa we ne nti Lodina lusu brotherhood won to abano boys is set toye where the anchor the brotherhood won to abano want me the 5 minutes account won to abano man yes where the anchor the obi anka be ma President Mahama mo amone ne nama mo kasetia nyina we dia nkwa de me aba no mitimi wiam a kama wiam ama 100% ba yes wa win overwhelmingly ana me boa wa win boom me boa more than 100% obi ase esese President Mahama ohwe na nipa so ye me nipa ye yo me obi aso ohwe nti wa win President yenyo denio uye boy nti Lodina ntokwa na na okukuru ofie no wadi fo awiase nyina ato aba e wo hia TV say esese ka president hwe nti wa hwe a ohwe ye mompa ye na onyanko
chirajo mama e wo comment section Penyah Media akra